Meanwhile, in West Bengal, the controversy over the alleged poll rigging across 8 of the 9 constituencies in the state that went to poll till the 30th of April seems to be far from over. And not just the left, but even the BJP has moved the Election Commission against the TMC now. 30th of April, these angry CPIM workers demonstrating in front of the Burdwan District Magistrate's office. Not only did they allege poll rigging, but even accused the TMC workers of physical intimidation. The left determined to keep their fight on in spite of the Election Commission's special observer dismissing the allegations.
If you give me the district name, PC number, AC number, polling station number and the exact nature of complaint, we will be able to take action.
But aren't you getting any reports from your officers on the field?
What the officers are giving, there is nothing unto it.
The opposition left is demanding the removal of the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal and the Special Observer of the Election Commission for their inaction in stopping rigging and the post-poll violence.
The left parties, however, continue to stand firm on their charges against the TMC.
We demand the withdrawal of CEO and Special Observer Mr. Rakesh. Immediately they are to be withdrawn. They are not functioning on behalf of the Election Commission in a proper manner.
The BJP too joining the fight, moving the Election Commission against Mamata's men.
जो इलेक्शन कमीशन बंगाल में आके हार गया, चुनाव निष्पक्ष नहीं कर पाया, सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आज इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो इस रोल है जो ठीक ढंग से नहीं कर पाया, इसके खिलाफ बोल रहा है.
The Trinamool, however, dismissing all the allegations.
बूथ रिगिंग हुआ, मिलिट्री देना चाहिए. तो ये तो हम बहुत सुना. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने सोचा है कि चुनाव बहुत अच्छा हुआ, तो ठीक है, मुकाम वो खुश हुआ.
In spite of the rigging controversy, the Chief Minister is conspicuously silent even as the opposition mounts pressure. Bureau Report, Times Now.